People who are new to buying and selling cryptocurrencies prefer to use paper trading to practice working with exchanges, placing orders, reducing stress, and increasing self-confidence. Also, this demo trading is an ideal option for professional traders and day traders to test different strategies. If you are a newbie on the crypto market, paper trading system is the best strategy for you. You can test different strategies and profitability using paper trading platforms and then apply them in the real world. Dealerify allows people who do not have adequate trading experience yet and want to trade in a real space to use paper trading in the live and real market to examine if it is possible for them to do this on a real basis. This means that you can trade in the real market with unlimited virtual capital, and master all the trading techniques until you are sure that you are ready to enter this market with your real capital. As you see in this video, working with paper trade mode is really easy on Dealerify. You can set how many transactions you need on demo mode, and also there is no limited virtual fund. So feel free to use it as long as you need to be prepared for trading with your money. Good luck and happy trading!